see if it completely engulfs this red bar here. If it does, that might be a very good sign that it's going to continue higher. It's called an engulfing, a bullish engulfing pattern in the candlestick charts. I'm not so sure it's going to go that high, so I'm getting out. So let's see, we made a little bit more profit. We're up to $402 now, and that's in about 250 of that was in the last 40 minutes. So that's all I do every day. I mean, I just take a look at the extremes of the market. I take a look at these bars. I mean, these 4 bars set me up for, you know, if I see a couple in a row, I might go look to go on the long side. I see 3 of these. I might continue to long side here. Now I'm just going to be monitoring to see, in fact, if the trend has changed, and we do start to trade a little bit higher in the market. I have to reload my gun, and you know, we'll see if this market trades higher. But it looks like it wants to try. If it goes above this little tail here, you know, we might have a chance for a pretty good rally up to 55, and I'm going to be riding it all the way. But so far, I have a nice profit of $402 for the day. Don't look at this because these are some old option trades that I had, but just take a look at these profits for the day. You can see that the DXD, which is the ETF for the short side of the Dow Industrials, I made more money than I made on the DDM, which was on the long side of the market so far, and that's pretty much usually how it goes. I guess I could have held my last 100 shares a little bit longer, but you know what? It never hurts to take a profit. And there are other opportunities to get in. Whoa, boy, that really jumped. So we may have an opportunity here to trade now from the long side if it looks like there is in fact a trade. This market is going to turn around and start trading higher. I don't know if it's going to last or not. Let's take a look at the DXD. We're probably getting some extreme readings here. Yeah, we're way down here. Let's see if this holds. The market internals look pretty good. I mean, actually bad. We're still only, I mean, remember, we're in, I mean, when you think about the market itself, we are in a bear market for today. I mean, I'm just talking about the day. There are 2,789 stocks declining. There are only 38 advancing. That's pretty bad. And you do have these advanced, you know, you have these rallies every once in a while, but now I would take the extreme other side of the market and say, you know what? You had a nice little rally here, but if you take a look at the day, you're in bad shape. This is how bad this day is. So you can have a little rally, but it may not last. So that's why I would take this side. Let's just hang in here for a couple of minutes and see what actually happens. Oops, I actually didn't mean to do that, but I'll take the trade. And we are trading a little bit higher, not a lot, but a little bit higher. I got it 69.09. It's not too bad of a trade. Just a little extra profit here. 69.13. I've got a red arrow. My volume is starting to decline on my my internal indicators. The advancers are starting to go back down again. So I may have caught something here, but I'm not going to hang around for it, I don't think. Yeah, the internals do not look good at all. So I like to catch these extremes. I probably pulled the trigger on that trade subconsciously. Yes, you should take that trade. Didn't actually mean to pull the trigger on it, but as long as I did, I can make a profit. Yeah, we're up there. We're going higher. We're going higher. I'll take my profits. I didn't really mean to get into that trade, but I'll take it. Now we're up to 480. Yeah, give me a little $50 profit or so. But anyway, that's how we do extreme trading. It's pretty interactive. It's constantly we're monitoring the internal situation of the market at all times. If I can come out with $1,500 a day, that's my goal. And when you do this, when you take a look at these internal sensors here, I consider this my control panel. And when I have a green light, I'll go long. When I have a red light, I'll go short. But measuring the number of advancing and declining issues, the volume that's going into those issues is a very, very nice way to trade, because you can generally, what happens is you'll get the signal on these indicators before the price starts to move on you. So you have a little bit of an advanced warning. See, now it looks like we're turning around. We went negative. Now we're going back up again. If that trend continues where we're going higher and the number of issues continues to increase that are going higher, then I'll start trading more confidently from the long side. I traded very confidently from the downside, which gave me a good amount of profit for the day so far. But I'm constantly monitoring these. You can tell that when you see a lot of red bars, that means the market is just going to continue to decline. When you start to see a grouping of green bars like this, then the market will probably continue higher. So anyway, that is extreme trading. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Go out there and trade with confidence.